Well, a bit of sad news coming through from the camp of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Two new signings of the team apeke a superficial injuries. You can say superficial, and let's say akoye adebia and sheda quite serious until an examination is conducted and the extent of the whole thing is proven. You know, akoye enieni. Abeka said the outer lane, and these two players, you know, Elvis Chiba for only the is quite different from a player, a friend of X-Smart, which is Asante Kotoko, new left back. Now, the woman said, for Elvis Chiba for the in very last 1 week, you know, training with the team because of a growing injury. Yes, a growing, and it's taking time to heal. And only information Yensaka on Elvis Chiba for. But on X-Smart, no, for the very last few days, he's been part of Kumasi Asante Kotoko training. And the last training, was on Monday, day 15 of the preseason, so at the and pick quite unfortunate superficial injury. It is going to take the scan conduction and be determined how and when and the extent of the whole injury. And according to the report I gather, and it's a training ground, so picky injury, and yet tackle be and a player be the corner. So once or a left back player into the area muhono na oko control bo bi and na a care muka cra or to former medical team in ban in general say no. Me infant to us, or no quite so error said no, any idea will beat me at one game. So the cover and say, and I was here walking off the page, and the medical team, advice say, obey a scan, not scan, and determine the state and the extent of the injury. And only news are so far as training grounds and injury updates are concerned. And our biggest prayers is that scan no matter say Tuesday and empenny for Ashisha or Marangia Airbaso, but results no by the close of the day in Airba Bonsi. So I'm hoping and praying together with Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters now say scan no results never Bonsi or not anything serious, just like outer lane in a small HSB. Now we'll resume with Kumasi Asante Kotoko with 6th of September League because he's a very talented and hard-working player. Not only talent, but also a very hard-working. Chiba for the end, they are growing. I hope he's with time and also be recover fully.